Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find which apps are using webcam on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Camera. Camera using apps are displayed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.